Hey there, I'm Stefano, and I'm here to share what we've been building at Fleetio this quarter. You know that feeling when your fleet runs like clockwork? When issues get fixed before they become problems, approvals happen without the back and forth, and your team just knows what to do next? Well, this quarter, we've gone all in on updates that make Fleetio work for you, not the other way around. Let's dive into what we worked on in Q3. Smarter workflows and automation. Every manual update, every approval email, and every status change, they add up. Fleet teams are spending hours on tasks that should take seconds. So we've built a suite of automation features that turn your most repetitive workflows into set and forget it rules. Think of it as giving your fleet management a productivity superpower. Issues become work orders instantly. Log an issue and watch it automatically transform into an assigned work order for the right technician. No more tickets sitting in limbo. Your team stays in the loop automatically. Set up email notifications that fire off the moment something important happens, with all the context your team needs to take action. Purchase orders approve themselves. Set your spending rules once and let smaller purchases sail through while flagging the big ones. No more being the bottleneck for routine approvals. Get double the automation power. Premium and enterprise accounts can now run up to 20 automations, which means more opportunities to put your everyday workflows on autopilot. So what's the payoff? Hours back in your week, faster issue resolution, fewer things falling through the cracks, and a team that spends less time on busy work and more time keeping your fleet running at its best. Complete fleet visibility with mixed asset management. Chances are your fleet isn't just vehicles. It's the small equipment that you can't afford to have break down. Things like attachments for heavy machinery, landscaping tools, and specialized assets your team relies on for commercial work. Now you can tap into cost and lifecycle insights for your tools and equipment, allowing you to optimize every piece of your fleet. Because a $5,000 generator breaking down can set back work just as fast as a truck in the shop. Track service for every tool in your arsenal. Log maintenance, parts, and labor costs for every tool. When maintenance is recorded across your tools, it's less likely that they'll collect dust waiting for someone to get to them. See your entire maintenance picture. New reporting shows you every service entry across all your tools. Filter by date, type, or technician. No more wondering when that welder was last serviced. Know what tools are actually costing you. Track maintenance spend down to the individual tool level. Finally answer the question, repair or replace. Get complete visibility across your entire operation, better budget control, and the confidence that comes from knowing every asset is tracked, maintained, and ready to work. Maintenance shop network expansion. Between reviewing line items, approving estimates, and coordinating the shops across regions, outsourcing maintenance can feel like herding cats. You often spend more time managing the process than managing your fleet. Our shop network is constantly improving and expanding, giving you smoother workflows that make working with your entire shop network feel like working with a single team, no matter where you operate. Manage approvals in a single click. Review a repair order once, approve everything that makes sense. No more line-by-line approval marathons for routine work. Canada, you're in. Our shop network now extends north of the border, giving Canadian fleets the same shop collaboration tools. Our shop network is designed to turn your shop relationships from coordination headaches into a competitive advantage. Better communication, less downtime, and more time for you to manage what matters. Whether your fleet operates in Toronto or Texas, you've got the tools to keep everything moving. Fleetio knowledge at your fingertips. Getting a new team member up to speed shouldn't take weeks. Rolling out a new process shouldn't require endless meetings. And when someone asks, how do I do blank? You shouldn't have to drop everything to train them. But that's exactly what happens when knowledge lives in just one person's head. We're giving you 2 new, powerful ways to turn your entire team into Fleetio pros, on their schedule, at their pace. Fleetio Academy is your team's training ground. Get free, role-specific courses and certifications for everyone, from drivers to fleet managers. New technicians starting Monday? They can be certified by Friday. Rolling out a new workflow? Everyone learns it the same way, the right way. You can even potentially hire new team members who are already Fleetio certified in the future. Fleetio Labs lets you see the future first. Get early access to features we're building and help shape what comes next. Your real-world feedback directly influences our roadmap. Think of it as your backstage pass to innovation. Be the kind of team that onboards in days, not weeks, with consistent processes across every location. Your people aren't just using Fleetio, they're mastering it. Plus, you're not just adapting to changes in fleet management, you're helping drive them. Connected operations and unified data. Your fleet runs on data from a dozen different systems. Fuel cards here, driver inspections there, toll systems somewhere else. You're not managing a fleet, you're playing detective, piecing together information from scattered sources. Every manual entry is another chance for something to go wrong. Fleetio is built on data connections that make your entire tech stack work as a unified system, because your data should flow as smoothly as your fleet. Our Motive integration got even better. DVIR defects now auto-close in Motive when you fix them in Fleetio. Fuel transactions flow in automatically. No more double entry, no more compliance gaps, no more, wait, did we update that? 39 new ways to connect. Our integrations directory is full of brand new options, from key management to tire tracking to tolls and citation. Find them, activate them, manage them, all without leaving Fleetio. You should be free to choose the best tools for your fleet and know they'll all play nicely together. Because that's what connected fleet management looks like. Everything working together, nothing falling through the cracks. Ready to put these updates to work? Jump into Fleetio and start exploring. Our customer success team is ready to help you make the most of these features. Want to see it in action? Schedule a personalized demo at fleetio.com/demo to get a closer look.